All right, hey, what's going on YouTube? Good morning, and we're getting ready to do the 29th episode. Get right to it. Let's see what kind of stuff we got today that I picked up through the Amazon Vine program in exchange for doing honest reviews on Amazon. I'm old enough to remember when Amazon was a chunky, clunky, inefficient website where you could get textbooks a little cheaper than at the college bookstore, but you had to wait a while. Yeah, I've been using Amazon for a long time. So what we got here is a chicken feeder. Let's take a look at it. So, poultry feeder, food grade stainless steel. That's what we're gonna say this is, huh? Alright. Rust proof, eco-friendly, easy to clean, corrosion resistant, 8.8 pounds. So, I've got, 13 chickens right now. I need more. You always need more. Anyways, I have a feeder out there for them now. It's bigger than this. And a big water jug that I only need to fill up about once a week. Both of them. But I wanted a supplement one. Or when I get new chickens, new chicks, have something to feed them with while they're getting acclimated. So that's what that's for. Alright, what do we have here? Through time, we found you. New Pearl, joyful riding and health living. Explore more timeless creations at New Pearl. Let's see what we got from New Pearl today. Ow. These are a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be. I've got a road, not a road bike, like a city bike they call it. Ugh. Could have at least taken the fingerprints all off of here, New Pearl. Gee whiz. Obviously bike mirrors. They're bike mirrors for my city bike. When you get on the road by the house here, it's good to know if there's cars coming up behind you. So that's how you mount it. Comes with a little wrench. Those are way too shiny and they're reflecting off way too much in here. And it's bugging me. So we're done looking at those, but I'll get those set up on the old bicycle. Let's do this one. I know my wife needs to use this. Alright, so this is nothing exciting. Just wanted to see what the quality of them were. So these are wreath bags for storing your seasonal wreaths. And I just wanted to kind of get a look how big they are. Those are pretty good size. And they open up pretty big. Oh, they even zip up. That's a bonus. So they zip up and hold your wreath. So as long as you have a wreath this size or smaller, this would be a good way to store them where they're not getting all beat up. So I think she will like those. Alright, let's do this one. And then we'll call it a day. If everybody's looking forward to the weekend, I think I'm going to try to get in the woods and see what's moving around out there. Alright, so this is a... Jesus, these names. DBASNE. You pronounce it how you want. That's the brand. It's a wireless speaker. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, this is bigger than I thought it was going to be. This is supposedly for the shower. Let's see what happens when we turn this on.
Power on.
Oh yeah? Bluetooth mode. So it's got a clock. You can change the lights to different colors if you want to get have a little party going on in the shower. And then you can turn it all the way off. Now, how does one attach it to the shower? Here's the manual to figure out how to set the clock and everything. I wonder if you could do alarms too. That'd be good. Keep you on track. Okay, so it's got a big old suction cup here that's gonna need to be reformed to be able to stick, because it's kind of all deformed from being in that package. Odd choice, you know. Oh, some way to make it store flat with the speaker on it or something when you're packaging these things. Then you wouldn't have a big old deformed suction cup disc. I don't know. So then I guess this just goes on here. And that whole suction cup's against the shower wall. And it's got, you know, a waterproof speaker. Here is the charging port here. It's got a covered USB-C charging port. I don't know how to set the clock. I'll figure it out. I'll look at the instructions here. But anyways, that's kind of cool. Press and hold to turn it off, I'm guessing.
Power off.
Power off. So I'll throw that in the shower. What else does it come with? USB-C, little small USB-C charge cable. Alright folks, that's it for today. Thanks for sticking with me, and I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your lives to watch my silly little videos. It's pretty cool. Again, you know, love to hear from you. Hit me up on the old tippy tappy. You got anything you want to add or questions? Be more than willing to answer them for you if I can, or whatever. Wouldn't mind hitting the old like and subscribe buttons. I know it's kind of silly to ask, but I gotta ask, and I appreciate you guys for doing it. Anyways, thanks for watching.